Programming your C5 Corvette key fob is straightforward. The key fob interacts with the car's body control module using a 314 MHz radio frequency. The BCM stores the key fob codes, allowing you to remotely lock and unlock doors, release the trunk, and activate the panic alarm. Before starting, ensure all doors are closed and unlocked, you have an OEM or compatible aftermarket fob, and your car battery has more than 12 volts. To program, insert the key into the ignition and turn to on without starting the engine. Press and hold the lock button on the first fob for 5 to 10 seconds until the horn honks, indicating programming mode. Release the button and turn the ignition off. Repeat this for up to 4 fobs within 30 seconds. Finally, turn the ignition back to on to exit programming mode, where the horn may honk twice to confirm. The most important first step is to ensure the car is in programming mode by cycling the key. If your C5 Corvette key fob programming fails, first check the car's battery voltage. A low battery can interfere with the programming process. If the fob still doesn't work, inspect the BCM for faults using an OBD2 scanner or consult a mechanic, as BCM issues are a common cause of programming failures. Battery corrosion in the fob itself can also cause failure. A quick reset is to disconnect the car battery for 10 minutes, then try the programming sequence again. Be cautious of aftermarket fobs. While they're often cheaper, they may have compatibility issues or shorter lifespans. For optimal reliability, use OEM fobs whenever possible. Aftermarket fobs often have limited range, but can extend up to 100 feet when upgraded. Avoid programming during electrical storms to avoid BCM damage. If all else fails, consider that retrofitting with smart key systems from later Corvette models is an option, though this often requires professional installation.